Currently in Oregon, there are 3 vaccine mandates for different types of workers. Federally, a vaccine mandate exists for companies and workers that employ more than 100 employees. All are required to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19. Emma Jerome is digging deeper this morning into the legality of the vaccine mandate. Emma, good morning.
Good morning, Emily. I'm here at Lewis and Clark College at the law school. Jim Leski is a professor here, and he says historically there is a strong precedent for mandates when it comes to vaccines. 116 years ago, the Supreme Court upheld a mandate that people must get vaccinated for smallpox. So this is not the first mandate of this kind. He says in recent history, states have even removed religious exemptions in the name of public health.
Most vaccine mandates historically in the United States, not all, but most have had religious accommodation provisions built into them, but a number of states got rid of them in the 5 years before COVID. That removal of those exemptions got challenged, and the states largely won those cases. So court said, they can provide exemptions, but they're not obligated to provide exemptions.
He says a state will likely rescind these exemptions in the name of public health if health leaders don't think herd immunity could be achieved without removing the exemptions. He said a state or government agency, however, cannot tell you that your religious belief is unreasonable and for that reason an illegitimate reason to exempt yourself from the vaccine. But he says there is skepticism out there that people might repackage a political belief and just label it a religious belief. And we're going to talk a little bit about that more in the next half hour, these exemptions and what really goes into deciding whether or not they are allowed. Reporting live this morning in Portland, Emma Jerome, KOIN 6 News.
Thank you, Emma. A number of at-home COVID-19 tests are being recalled.